doing?
On one side of the table is a man named Turnpike, the dentist. On the other side, two of his clients, they are famous physicians named George Harrison and John. The three men sit with their wives and significant others, finishing a delicious meal. When they're done eating, George rises from his chair to help John clean his girlfriend clean the table. While George snaps dishes in the sink, he notices Isaac, now 6 months, busy himself making coffee for her. Tired and ready to go home, George quickly walks over to the dining room and gestures discreetly to his wife.
It's my lucky day. Oh my god.
I have diners that are literally hot coffees, placing them on in front of each guest's place at the table. Willing to clear room, George and Patty return to their seats. George takes a sip of his coffee.
What are you doing? Hey! Who are you? قشكر
Down the 3-1 delivery. Quan lines one toward the gap in right center and will get down for a base hit. Hitting second, going to third is Hoskins. And Stephen Quan with a PB to right center. And Guardians at the corners. And once again leading 1-0. They have taken advantage of hitters' counts. Rocker has been getting behind on hitters. Lozano took him deep in a hitter's count. Quan got a base hit there. First and third for Cleveland. One down in the second. 1-0 Cleveland. Rangers infield. Middle infielders back. Double play depth. Young even with the ball at third. Berger holding the runner at first. Here's catcher Hoskins. Probably see a safety squeeze. Rocker sets the pitch. He squares and he bunted it foul. That indeed was the play, but he bunted it foul. Nothing.
Huh?
I'm just gambling at this point.
I was like, hold on a second, let me just past it.
Oh, but then this person going here ain't pulling up to it.
Yeah, I don't understand that either.
Oh,
That's crazy. What the fuck?
what? That is insane.
And I feel like we're in like such a precarious
Yeah, no,
position.
we're in a terror because if they swerve, they're gonna hit us. Oh my gosh.
Like, I was just thinking of the cars hitting that car and the car coming back and hitting us.
Yeah. Well, this was definitely the more entertaining route. Holy smokes. Alright, let me get the timestamp so I can clip that.
I'm just way dirty, motherfucker. I hurt myself way more than you. There's too much out here for the cup. I put the codeine in my soup. Used to spit and grain your face. I'm supposed to show you love. I don't need no picket line. I don't need no fucking hug. You just rapping. Are you okay? With your napkin for the drugs. Too exclusive in the back. She wish nigga in the club. Who is that nigga? If I ain't that nigga, it ain't. Robert, gotta consider my liver, my nigga. Gotta get rid of my kidney, my nigga. That was the only thing holding me back. None of these.
Hi, I am on, let me pull it up real quick.
Oh my god. Oh.
Excuse me. I think you tapped my car.
Don't touch it.
I have a camera. Right here.
Don't touch it, buddy.
He hit my car. And he said, no, I didn't. I have a camera. Hold this. I'm gonna go look. I moved.
Yeah.
This dude. Dude, the way he said it. I didn't touch it, bud.
shit. I'm way too high off life.